In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access apps and notifications. Following that, click on Notifications and tap on Application Notification Management over here. Finally, you can click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Calendar. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same, now grey switcher. If you want to, you can always disable notifications from all of your apps by tapping on this switcher at the top and enable them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!